Welcome to Zenith Business English. English Conversation Practice. Lesson 11. Buying a new house. Huge budget for a house.
Hello, I want to buy a new house for me and my family.
I'm sure I can help you. What type of house do you want?
I want a house with 3 bedrooms.
Okay, and can this house be a flat?
No, it can't be a flat. We have got a dog, so we also need a big garden area. My kids want to play with the dog, and my wife wants to do some gardening.
Okay, no flat then. Do you want anything else?
I want a big garage. We have got 2 cars and I have got a bike. And my dream house is next to the beach.
You want a lot of things. I think I can find the house of your dreams. Can you tell me about your budget?
We have $1 million.
This is a lot of money. What do you do?
I am a doctor and my wife is a nurse.
Good. Okay. I need your phone number. I'll call you when I find your house.
It's 916-632-8504.
Got it. Do you have questions?
I don't think so. See you soon then, goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
New house for a new family.
I'm sick of renting this apartment. I want to buy a new house.
Me too. I can contact a real estate agent in the morning.
Yes, you should do that. And will you go online and fill out this form in order to get pre-approved for our mortgage amount?
That's a good idea. That way we'll know how much we can afford to spend on a house.
And I'm also going online to see what homes are on the bank right now.
Okay, but before we do that, we should think about which neighborhood we like.
I like those new subdivisions.
Yes, they are nice looking.
Exactly. If we are going to start a family, we want to be around other young families.
I agree, this is actually a good time to start looking for a new house.
Going to an open house.
Hey, are you busy today?
I have a couple of errands to run, but I should be done early.
If you have time this afternoon, do you want to go with me?
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to an open house in Pine Ridge today.
I didn't know you were looking for a house.
I am not ready to buy today. I'm just checking the market out.
That's very smart.
I want to see what I can afford.
That makes total sense. Count me in.
Okay, then I'll pick you up at about 1 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, I should be done by then. Thanks.
A house for a mother and son.
Good day. Thanks for meeting with me.
You're welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you. Please call me Grace.
All right, Grace. And you can call me Will.
I'm looking to buy a house for myself and my son.
Wonderful. Buying is always a good idea. Do you rent now?
I did, but for the last 6 months, I've been living with my mother.
I see. Can I ask you what you do for a living?
I work as a doctor at Pine City Doctors Hospital.
That's a good job. How long have you worked there?
For about 7 years now.
All right, let's get started. I'll see what we can do.
Appointment with an excellent realtor.
Hello.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I've been working with one of your realtors. I'd like to view some homes now.
Okay. Who have you been working with?
I've been working with Ms. Thomas.
Oh, she's an excellent realtor. I'll check her calendar.
Thank you. I'm very anxious to get started.
Are you free this Saturday?
I think so. What time?
She has time between 1 to 3 p.m. this Saturday, the 12th.
I think that will work. Let's do it.
I'll be sure to confirm with both of you on Friday. Have a good day.
Finding the right house.
I'm sorry for being difficult.
Not at all. We aim to please.
It's just that this will be my family's home. It has to be right.
I understand completely.
So where is this next home?
It's nearby. I think this is the one.
I truly hope so.
This is it.
Wow, I like it.
I thought you might.
Is this in my price range? If it is, I think I just found my house.
It definitely is. Let's go inside. Pre-qualifying for a loan.
The best way to buy a house is to get pre-qualified.
Why is that?
By pre-qualifying, you know beforehand which house you can buy.
I thought I would look at houses first.
That's okay too, but you may be wasting your time.
How so?
You may find a house you really like, but can't afford it.
Well, that's when I'll negotiate with the seller.
Yes, that's true, but by pre-qualifying, you'll save time and effort.
How is that?
You will be able to select a home you know you can afford.
Okay. Then we'll try it your way.
Viewing houses with a realtor.
Good evening. I'm glad you could make it.
I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Okay, let's get started.
Sounds fine. I'm glad we're starting here.
Yes, this is a great starter house, and it's in a good neighborhood.
Do you know anything about the schools?
This is part of an award-winning school district.
That's what I wanted to hear.
Let's take a look inside.
Okay, let's do it.
I figure we can view at least 4 homes today, maybe 5.
That's wonderful. I'm so excited.
Inspecting house problems.
This is Walter, the inspector.
Hello, I'm the buyer, Mrs. Smith.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. I've done a preliminary check of the property.
That's great. What did you find?
There are some issues with this home.
For instance?
Structurally, the house is sound.
That's a good start.
Plumbing is substandard, the water heater is old, and the roof has issues.
You're kidding, right?
I wish I was. I'll know more in a couple of days.
Okay, keep me informed.
More houses to show.
I think this house will fill all your needs.
Well, I don't particularly like the neighborhood.
I understand your concern, but let's take a look inside.
Okay, but I'm really concerned about the neighborhood.
That's okay.
I guess we can look inside since we're here.
Great. Let's go inside. It's a beautiful home.
I don't like it already. The porch is too small. I have a big family.
All right, Mrs. Jones. This may not be the right house for you.
That's what I've been trying to tell you.
That's okay. I've got more homes to show you.
That's good to hear.
Neighborhood not feeling right.
I hope this neighborhood is more to your liking.
Yes, it definitely is.
It's a little more money, but I think it's a great fit for you.
As long as I can afford it.
The porch is very large. I think your family will like it.
That's a good place to start.
This is the living area. As you can see, it's quite spacious.
I can see that.
And this is the master bedroom.
Sorry, it's a beautiful home, but it just doesn't feel right.
What's wrong, Mrs. Jones?
It's the bathrooms, and it just doesn't feel right, sorry.
Signing escrow papers.
It's time to go sign the escrow papers.
I'm on my way. Give me a minute.
Okay, we have some time.
I'm really excited about this. This is our first home.
I know. I'm also excited.
I'm just glad we came to an agreement with the buyer.
Me too. That negotiation was rough.
But the realtor told me it was common.
That may be true, but I didn't expect it.
That doesn't matter now. We got the house.
I know. When can we start moving in?
Soon, I hope. Really soon. Making an offer through the realtor.
Good day, Miss Thomas. Can we talk?
Of course, Mr. James. Why don't you come into the office this afternoon?
That would be fine.
What's on your mind, Mr. James?
I want to make an offer on the First Avenue home.
That's great. I'll see you at 2 p.m.
Hello, Miss Thomas.
Hello, Mr. James. You're right on time.
I like to be prompt, Miss Thomas.
That's great. I appreciate that.
I'm ready to make an offer.
Okay, let's get started.
Apartment viewing.
Hi, can I speak with the apartment manager, please?
Hello, this is the apartment manager speaking.
I'm calling about the apartment for rent on 2nd Street.
Would you be interested in seeing the apartment?
I would love to see it.
Are you free today at around 1 p.m.?
Yes, I will be able to make it then.
Well, I'll see you at 1 p.m. Do you know how to get there?
I used to live in that area.
I'll give you an application form when I see you.
That sounds good. Do I need to bring anything?
No. Just be there. Apartment viewing 2.
Could I speak to the apartment manager?
I am the apartment manager. How can I help you?
I wanted to know if that apartment on 2nd Street is still for rent.
I haven't rented it out yet. Would you like to see it?
Yes, I want to see it.
How about today at 6 p.m.?
That time is okay with me.
Very good. We'll meet at 6. Do you need directions?
No, thank you. I go there on my way to work.
If you're interested, you can fill out an application form.
That's a good idea. Do I need to bring anything myself?
No. The only thing I need to see is your ID.
Moving to a new apartment.
Hi, I saw the vacancy sign outside and I'm looking for an apartment.
Yes, we have one unit available right now.
The lease on my apartment is up soon, so I'd like to move in the first of the month.
Okay. Follow me and let me show you the unit. Each unit gets one parking space in the garage, and there are laundry facilities on the first floor. Here's the unit. Take a look around.
Oh, this is nice. Is this a furnished unit?
It can be furnished or unfurnished, your choice.
This apartment is exactly what I'm looking for. How much is the rent?
It's $500 a month and we require a 12-month lease. To move in, you'll need to have the first and last month's rent, plus a security deposit.
How much is the security deposit?
It's $450.
Okay, I'll think it over and get back to you. Thanks for your time.
These units go fast, so if you're interested, I suggest that you jump on it.
Thanks, I'll keep that in mind.
Looking for a new apartment.
Hi, I'm interested about your ad for an apartment for rent.
Yes. It's still available.
Can you give me more information, please?
Sure, what would you want to know?
How many rooms does it have?
It has a living room, 2 bedrooms and a small kitchen.
How much is the rent?
It's $700.
Is there a parking spot?
One space is included, but you have to pay $20 per month.
When is the apartment available?
It's available anytime.
Okay, see you when I move in. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Asking for the apartment's location.
The apartment seems nice.
It sure does.
I just have a few questions to ask.
About what?
The apartment's location.
Ask away. I'll try my best to answer them.
Is the location in close proximity to the police department?
Yes, it is. Only 15 minutes away.
What about the fire department?
Not as close as the police department, but still not far.
That's good to hear. Thanks for the answers.
Don't mention it. It was my pleasure to help. Visiting a rental agent.
Are you the rental agent?
Yes, I am. Welcome to my office.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you.
How did you hear about me?
A friend referred me to you.
Oh, really? I'm glad.
He said you were the right person to talk to about renting an apartment.
That's nice to hear. I'm flattered. How can I help you?
I found an apartment in Glendale and I wanted a second opinion.
Sure. Do you have the apartment's information?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you.
Thanks for practicing with us. Join us for another English conversation practice. Please check out our other videos.